we are talking about birds, the first thing that comes to our mind. The ability to fly may the first thing come to our mind. But not all birds can fly even though they have wings. Here the list of 10 amazing flightless birds in the world. Takahe. The Takahe is the largest member of rail bird family. This unique bird has attractive, green-blue plumage, and large red bill. Compared to their heavy body, the wings are too short and cannot fly. Inaccessible Island Rail. Inaccessible Island Rail is the smallest flightless bird in the world. It only found on the inaccessible, volcanic island in Tristan Archipelago. Guam Rail. It is a small flightless bird that endemic to U.S. island territory of Guam, in the Marianas Archipelago. Luckily, there are no natural predators on Guam Island to cause threats to this flightless bird. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small flightless bird that native to New Zealand. It is the smallest bird of all living flightless birds. Kiwis are so unique among the world of birds. Kiwi is the national symbol of New Zealand. Kakapo. Kakapo is a large flightless, nocturnal parrot bird endemic to New Zealand. This yellow-green flightless parrot are an excellent climber, lives in trees roosts, under cover and moves around night. Rhea. Rhea bird is native to South America, and closely related to ostrich and emu, flightless birds. There are two species, Greater Rhea and Lesser Rhea, limited within the South American continent, to Argentina and Brazil. Penguin. Penguins, probably the most popular, non-flying birds in the world. Penguins use their short wings to flap through water, rather than flying. The emperor penguins are only found in Antarctica. Emu. Emu flightless bird is second tallest bird in the world, and one of the largest living bird by height. The emu were endemic to Australia, and an important source of meat for Australians. Cassowary. Cassowary species is a flightless bird native to rainforests of New Guinea and Australia. They also have a beautiful horn like the crest on their head. With the powerful legs, cassowaries can also run up to a speed of 31 miles per hour. Ostrich. The flightless ostriches are the largest and heaviest living bird in the world. They stand up to 2 meters in height and weigh between 100 and 160 kilograms. With long powerful legs, ostrich can reach a top speed of 41 miles per hour. Ostriches use their strong legs to defend against the predators. It is said to be one kick of an ostrich has enough strength to kill an adult human.